Today I'm reading from my book, Whispers of Heaven. And in it I wrote, I open my spiritual eyes to that which is whole, that which is good and joyful. In my spiritual sight, I can see through every cloud of fear and doubt. So let's put these words of wisdom to work in our lives. We do it through affirmative prayer. I'm going to do this prayer in the first person. Take it in for yourself. If I say something that works for you, hold tight to that. If I say something that doesn't work for you, just let that part slide by. But just know this truth with me today. There is but one God, one mind, one power. That power is perfect love, it's divine intelligence. And that power is showing up in my life, urging me on to know the very best for myself, urging me on to release and let go of every fear and doubt, to open my heart, my mind, and my soul to that inner calling, urging me on to see the world as a wonderful and joyful and loving place. This is my truth. I celebrate this right knowing, and I release this prayer into the mind of God to do its good and perfect, bold and dynamic work, returning to me multiplied abundantly. And together we say, and so it is.